grind your teeth, over time, you can actually shred them down significantly. This is because as the teeth grind together, they break down the tooth's hard outer layer. This exposes the softer layers and nerves underneath, causing your teeth to experience painful sensitivity. And since the tooth no longer
Grinding your teeth not only destroys your enamel and make your teeth more susceptible to fractures and cavities, it also shortens your teeth, which affects the vertical dimension of your bite, meaning the space between your upper jaw and your lower jaw becomes shorter and less space for your tongue, and that subjects you to issues like sleep disordered breathings, such as snoring, etc., etc., etc. So the best practice is to find out what is the cause of teeth grinding that you have. Address the root cause of it. Don't band-aid it. Solve the problem.